Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable USB boot on this laptop. To do it, press the power button once to enable your laptop and then start clicking the F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Then go to Boot, Option, and to disable USB boot, select this list of options right here and select Disabled. And to change it to Enabled, select Enabled option. To apply settings and exit, press F10, and to discard changes, press Escape. And then press No if asked. That's basically it, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.